Welcome to this NetSims Technologies tutorial video. This video will show you how to view, manage, and respond to visitor messages in SiteWriter. Depending on your website's theme, it might have a contact form on every page, or you might need to create a page with a contact form. When a website visitor fills out the form, their name, email address, and message are saved in SiteWriter. To access these messages, log into SiteWriter and click Messages on the menu bar. You can see the sender's name, their message, their email address, and the date and time the message was sent. You can click on the column headers to sort the messages, or type in the search box to find messages containing specific names, text, or email addresses. When you click Reply, your computer or phone should create a new email message in your preferred mail program. The visitor's email address will be automatically filled in. If this does not happen, simply copy the email address manually. If you have previously configured SiteWriter to send email notifications for contact messages, you can instead simply reply to that email notification and your message will be sent to the visitor. Watch the video titled Managing Website Settings in SiteWriter to learn more. That video will be linked in the description below. When you no longer need to keep a visitor's contact message, simply click Delete to remove it from SiteWriter. You now know how to manage contact messages in SiteWriter. Thank you for watching this NetSims Technologies tutorial video.